Broad Air Pro Fresh Plus. Simple design, delicate and compact machine. 6-gear regulation, low speed and weak wind, extremely quiet, high speed and strong wind, strong wind. Body sensor, auto switch, intelligent purification. Filter PM 2.5 by 99%. Absorb infinite small dust and bacteria. Heat exchange between air in and air out. Super energy efficient. Heat recovery efficiency 60%. Broad Air Pro Fresh Plus brings fresh air in and keeps the smog outdoors. Ensure 100% fresh air and drain the indoor dirty air out. It is designed for exclusive space of single room, without air hose and easy to install. Applicable for 25 to 50 square meters. Realize fresh air purification for the whole house and 100 times cleaner breathing. Installation introduction of Broad Air Pro Fresh Plus. 1. Check the installation environment. Determine where to install. Air Pro Fresh Plus can only be installed indoor. The installation location must be on the inner side of exterior wall. Make sure good ventilation outside the exterior wall. Avoid outdoor air pollution sources such as smoke, tube, toilet vent, etc. Barrier-free at air outlet. Make sure standard power supply hub available near the machine. Determine installation height. Communicate with customers to determine appropriate height. It is suggested that the machine should be about 1.3 to 1.6 meters away from the ground. Make sure easy operation and maintenance. Check fresh air, ventilation, and wall. The opening position should be far away from the load-bearing structure of wall. Check if there are power lines, water pipes, reinforcing bars, etc. in the wall. 2. Installation preparation. Full set of tools. PVC tube with diameter 110 mm, length 80 mm. Water drill with diameter 120 mm and electric hammer. Waterproof and dustproof cover. Leveling instrument. Tape line. Blowing agent. Cleaning towels, etc. Open the box and check accessories. Power line 1. Mounting plate 1. Rainproof covers 2. Expansion gum covers 2. Screw 6. Steel nail 5. Steamer. Specification. 3. Open fresh air and ventilation hole. Lofting of fresh air hole. Locate the fresh air hole according to the mounting plate. For the decorated house, the lower part of the installation hole and the surrounding walls need anti-fouling treatment. Positioning and fixing of brace rod. Broad punches holes by brace rod to avoid damage to the wall. Install a waterproof and dustproof cover at the fixing point of the fresh air hole. Considering the possible fragment falling in drilling area, proper protection should be done. Lofting of ventilation hole. Attach a mounting plate to the wall horizontally. Locate the ventilation hole. The bottom of the condensate hole must be aligned with the lowest edge of the fresh air outlet. Convenient to drain water away. Open the ventilation hole. The upper edge of the drill must be aligned with the upper frame of the vent hole. The outer hole of wall should be 5 to 10 mm lower than the inner hole to prevent rainwater from running in. 4. Install fresh air and vent tubes. Determine the length of fresh and ventilation tubes. Determine the length of new pipes and ventilation pipes. Measure wall thickness and determine pipeline length. Install fresh air and ventilation tube. Cut fresh air and exhaust ducts according to the actual wall thickness. Install 2 rainproof covers. Put it into the wall hole and seal it with polyurethane foams or other adhesive for waterproof purpose. 5. Machine installation. Fix bolt and put expand bolt into the wall. According to the mounting plate, fix bolt holes and punch holes to fix rubber plugs. Fix mounting plate horizontally. Fix 2 hanging plates on the mounting plate. Fix the mounting plate horizontally with 2 expansion screws and 5 steel nails. Attach it closely to the wall. Hang the machine on the mounting plate. Finish the installation. 6. Electrical test. Complete acceptance. After installation, the site should be cleaned up. Plug into socket for trial operation. Check whether the filter efficiency of air outlet meets the standard. PMO 3 to 2.5 is 0 mg. Show customers how to operate and do routine maintenance. Regulate airflow on site and introduce simple operation. Fill in AirPro Fresh Plus installation and service form to get customers' confirmation. To ensure indoor air quality, the room must be airtight. Prevent dirty air from entering the room through the window. Broad AirPro Fresh Plus. Filter PM 2.5 by 99%. Provide fresh air in the room and keep the smog outdoors. Easily make indoor air 100 times cleaner than outdoors.